Hey everyone, if your AppFlowy Workspace won't load, gets stuck on a blank screen, keeps showing a loading indicator, or fails to open your notes and pages, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common AppFlowy Workspace not loading problems in 2026. First, check your internet connection. If you're using AppFlowy's cloud synchronization features, a weak or unstable connection can prevent your workspace from loading properly. If you're using multiple devices, verify that all of them are running compatible and up-to-date versions of AppFlowy. Another helpful step is giving the workspace extra time to load, especially if it contains a large number of pages, databases, attachments, or synced content. If the application remains stuck, restart your computer or mobile device and try opening the workspace again. You should also check whether your device has sufficient available memory and storage space. Low system resources can affect workspace loading performance. If you're using a VPN, firewall, antivirus software, or network security tool, temporarily disable it and test the workspace again. Some security settings can interfere with synchronization and loading processes, and that's how to fix AppFlowy Workspace not loading problems in 2026. In most cases, checking your connection, updating the application, refreshing your account session, and clearing temporary data will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.